Okay, so I assume you've basically assessed the situation. Here is 6 schools and the distance that they have to travel to the capital. If we add the 7th school that only has to travel for 15 miles, how does that change what the data is? How does that change the data from just the 6 schools to that 7th school? So first, let's just figure out what we have to compare. We have to compare, is it less spread or more spread? The median, the mean, and that's basically it. So first, I would find the mean and median in each situation. So to find the median, we put the numbers in order. So we got 150, cross that one, that's the smallest number. The largest number is 425. And then the next smallest would be 200, cross that one out, cross out the next largest, 400. And these are the two numbers that are in the middle. If you get down to one number in the middle, then that's the median. If there's two, you have to add them together and divide by 2. You have to find the average. Well, 380 plus 380 divided by 2 is just 380. So if you have 6 schools, the median is 380. All right, now let's find the for 7 schools. Let's find the median. So 7 schools. Well, we're going to first cross out the 15. That's the smallest. And then the largest would be school number 1. Then the next smallest is 150, and the next largest is 400. And then the next smallest would be 200. The next largest would be 380. And 380 is the number in the middle. So it looks like the median stays the same. So we'll keep that in mind. Now let's find the mean. So for the mean, we have to add up the 6 numbers. I have to get my calculator. I'm going to add these numbers up. And let's see here. Okay, so I paused the video, I got my numbers. If you add up the 6 schools, you're going to get 1935. Then you divide by 6, you should get 322.5. That would be the mean for 6 schools. Now for adding the 7th school, you're just going to take 1935, and then you're going to add 7 to that, so you get 1,950. And you're going to divide by 7 because you added a 7th school. And then that's going to give you 278.57. And that would be the average or the mean for the 7 schools. So what happened with the mean when you added in that 7th school that only has to travel 15 miles? Well, the mean decreased. So let's figure out what we have here. First, we know the median didn't change. So here it says there's no change in the median or mean. Well, that's not true. Here it says there's no change in the spread of the data. I'm not sure about that just yet. The median stays the same, and the mean changes. Okay, I know F is true. And then here it says the median changes. Well, we know the median did not change. So right now we have F. Now and then C says both of them change. Well, that's not true. So now we just got to determine, is it more spread, less spread, or did it stay the same? Well, when you add in the 7th school that only travels 15 miles, 15 would be the smallest distance traveled, therefore it spreads out the data. And so you're also going to have, in addition to F being one of your answers, you're going to have B being one of your answers. So F and B.